శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ త్వరలో అటానమస్ కాబోతోంది.
2014లో ISO గుర్తింపు, 2015లో రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వంచే A గ్రేడ్, 2016లో NAC A గ్రేడ్, ఇప్పుడు NBA సాధించిన సంస్థ శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
Good morning to all. Already we discussed the multi-stage amplifiers. Okay, multi-stage means 2 or 3 stages. That is called the multi-stage. So in this multi-stage amplifiers, what is the use of the multi-stage amplifiers and coupling methods? What are they? RC coupled amplifiers, RC coupled and direct coupled and transformer coupled. Okay, so today we discussed about the two-stage RC coupled CE cascade amplifier. Cascading means series. CE cascade amplifier means 2 CE stages. This is the first CE amplifier, CE transistor. CE means common emitter. Emitter is common between input and output section. Okay, this is the first stage and this is the second stage. CE configurations. These two are series and RC coupled. So in this diagram only resistors and capacitors are there. And coupling. So first stage is output is given to the second stage input with the help of the capacitor. So this is the RC coupled. So this amplifier is called the RC coupled and this is the CE stage and this is the another CE. So CE cascading, another CE. So this is called the two-stage RC coupled CE cascade amplifier. Okay, in this, assuming all capacitors are large, so it acts as the short circuit. So capacitors act as the short circuit. So first transistor output is given directly to the second transistor input without any parameter. So capacitor is shorted. So for AC signal, we can draw the H parameter equivalent circuit for CE cascade amplifier. So we can draw the amplifier circuit. Okay, in this H parameter, first one is the voltage source. Okay, this is the voltage source and this is the R1 parallel with the R2. Two resistors. In this internally one resistor is there. So this is the R1 parallel with the R2 and this is the HIE, input resistance. HIE is the input resistance. Resistance in series with the voltage source. That voltage source is the HRE VCE. Okay, HRE VCE. Emitter is common. So HRE VCE. And another one is this is the HOE. Okay, IB current is in this, IB current is flowing. Okay, next one, this is the RC1. This is also R1 parallel with the R2 and this resistor is called the HIA, second stage resistance. This is the first stage, HIE in series with the voltage source and this is the current source in parallel with the resistance. This is the first stage H parameter and the second stage H parameters are resistance in series with the voltage source. Okay, and current source in parallel with the resistance. This is the another stage. two stages are cascading. Okay, so this is the HFE and this is IB current is flowing. Input is the base. In CE configuration, input is base. So IB current is flowing. And this resistance is the HOE and resistance is RC2. Okay. In this, C2 capacitance is there and this is the short circuited. So this is the RC2 resistance. In this, C1 is there internal. So C1 is short circuited. So this value is the RC1. This is the H parameter equivalent circuit for the CE cascade amplifier. So let us calculate the RI, input resistance, AI, okay, input gain, input AV, voltage gain, AI, RI, input resistance, AVS and I. If circuit parameters is given, so RS equal to 1 kilo ohm, RC1 equal to 15 kilo ohms, RE1 equal to 100 ohms, RC2 equal to 4 kilo ohms, RE2 equal to 330 ohms, with R1 equal to 200k and R2 equal to 20k. Okay, for the first stage, parameters given, R1 equal to 47k and R2 equal to 4.7k for the second stage. Okay, assume that HIE equal to 1.2 kilo ohms and HFE equal to 50. HRE equal to 2.5 into 10 power minus 4 and HOE equal to 25 into 10 power minus 6. Okay, these are all parameters of the H parameters. So we can calculate the RI, AI, AV, RI. Okay, first of all, analysis of the second stage. So this is the second stage. Okay, and afterwards we can calculate the first stage. First one, analysis of the second stage. So as HOE RL means this is the HOE and this is the RL. So in this HOE RL equal to HOE RC2. Last one is the load resistance, but we can take RC2. Okay, in this internal capacitance C2 is there, so that C2 is short circuited, so we can assume this resistance is RC2. So this is also known as the RL also. So why? Because of HOE RL equal to HOE RC2. Okay, so values, HOE value is there, RC2 value is there. So 25 into 10 power minus 6 into 4k. 4k means 4 into 10 power 3. That is equal to 0.1. So we can use the approximate analysis. And next one, current gain, AI2. So AI2 equal to HFE. Okay, minus HFE. AI2 current gain equal to, this is the current gain. Okay, this is the voltage source and this is the current, second stage current. So AI2 equal to minus HFE, directions, depending on the directions. So minus HFE. HFE value is there 50. HFE is the 50. So current gain minus HFE equal to minus 50. And second one, input resistance. Input resistance is the RI2. So RI2 equal to Resistance. This is the second stage resistance. That is the HIE. So HIE equal to 1.2. In this, HIE equal to 1.2 kilo ohms is there. HIE equal to 1.2 kilo ohms. Okay. Second stage input resistance is the HIE. So HIE value is 1.2 kilo ohms. So directly current gain equal to minus 50. HIE equal to 1.2 kilo ohms input resistance. And another one is the voltage gain. So voltage gain is the AB2, second stage. So we can use 2, AI2, RI2, AB2. We can calculate the values of the analysis of the second stage. So we can take 2. So voltage gain AB2 equal to output voltage by input voltage. Okay, AB2 equal to AI2 into RL by RI2. This is the formula. AV2 equal to AI2 I current into resistance, that is the voltage. Okay, current into resistance, that is the voltage. So AI2 into RL by RI2. RL value is known, AI2 also known. So AI2 is the minus 50, RL is the 4K, and 4 into 10 power 3 by RI2 value is 1.2 into 10 power 3. That is equal to minus 166.67. So second stage parameters are current gain is the minus 50, input resistance is the 1.2 kilo ohms, voltage gain is the minus 166.67. Okay, and analysis of the first stage. So analysis of the first stage is the, first of all, RL as a load resistance is all resistors are parallel in this. Okay, RC1, this is the RC1, R1 parallel with the R2 and RI2. All parameters are parallel, all resistances are parallel. That becomes RC1 value is 15K, parallel with the R1 value 47K, and parallel with the R2 value 4.7K, and RI2 value 1.2K. All resistances are in parallel. So that value is equal to 881.8 ohms. That is the RL value, load resistance. In the HOE RL equal to, HOE is 1 by 40 into 10 power minus 3 into RL value just known 881.8. That becomes HOE RL value is 0.022 value. Okay, in this current gain. So current gain equal to AI1. So AI1 equal to minus HFE. This is the minus HFE. So minus HFE value is, this minus HFE value is minus 50. And input resistance is the RI1. Input resistance RI1 first stage. So RI1 equal to input resistance is first HIE. HIE value is 1.2 kilo ohms. And the voltage gain. Voltage gain is the AV1. So first stage voltage gain is the AV1. So AV1 equal to same current into resistance. That becomes AI1 into RL by RI1. That becomes the minus 50 into 881.8 by 1.2 into 10 power 3. That becomes minus 36.74. And overall gain AV. Overall gain AV equal to first gain voltage gain and second stage voltage gain that is the product of first stage voltage gain into second stage voltage gain, that becomes AV1 into AV2, that is equal to 6123.45, and overall voltage gain AVS. So AVS equal to, formula is there, AVS equal to AV into corresponding resistance into, that is the RI1 by total resistance, that becomes RI1 plus RS. So RI1 is the parallel, total resistances or all are parallel, we can calculate. Okay, that is the R1 parallel with R2 parallel with RI1, that becomes 1.13 kilo ohms. That means 200k parallel with the 20k parallel with the 1.2k. That value is the 1.13k, where AVS equal to AV into RI1 by RI1 plus RS. So it becomes 3248.6. That value becomes the, and output resistance is 15k R01. First stage input resistance is, output resistance is the 15k, and second stage output resistance is the 4k value. Okay, and another one is the CE-CB cascode amplifier. Okay, CE-CB cascode amplifier. This cascode amplifier consists of common emitter amplifier stage, common emitter. Cascode means CE-CB. Cascade means two CE stages. Okay, cascading in series with the one CE amplifier is series with the CE amplifier, CE stages. Cascode means CE and CB. First stage is the CE and second stage is CB. Okay, the cascode amplifier consists of the common emitter amplifier stage in series with the common base amplifier stage. So it is one approach to solve the low impedance problem of the common base circuit. In this impedance matching, one is problem is there and second one is solve it. Okay, so it is one approach to solve the low impedance problem of the common base circuit. The transistor T1 and it is associated with the components operate with the common emitter amplifier stage. Okay, this is the first transistor, this is the first transistor and this is the second transistor. First transistor is the CE and second transistor is the CB. So transistor T1 and it's associated with the components operate as a common emitter amplifier stage. This is a common emitter amplifier stage. While the circuit T2 functions as common base of the output stage. The cascode amplifier gives the high input impedance of the common emitter amplifier as well as good voltage gain and high frequency performance of the common base circuit. Okay, so the cascode amplifier gives the high input impedance of the common emitter amplifier, and this is high input impedance common emitter amplifier, and good voltage gain and high frequency performance of the common base circuit. Okay, this is the circuit diagram, CE CB cascode amplifier stages. And for the DC bias conditions of the circuit, the emitter current for T1 is set by the emitter current. So this is the emitter current So emitter current is the T1. That becomes the IE1. T1 means first transistor. First transistor means CE. So T1 is set by VE1. So emitter VE1 and RE1. So collector current. Collector current means IC. First transistor. So IC1 approximately equal to the IE1 and IE2. So collector current is approximately equal to the emitter currents. Is same as IC1. So therefore IC2 is approximately equal to the IC1, IE1. So second stage output current, collector current is approximately equal to the emitter current. So this current remains constant regardless of the levels of VB2 as well as the VCE1 remains large enough for the current operation of the transistor 1. So this is the circuit. So in this H parameter model, the simplified H parameter equivalent circuits for the cascade amplifier so is drawn by replacing the transistor with their simplified equivalent circuits. In this Vs voltage source, Rs source resistance, okay, and the current is Is. This is the Rb base resistance. So this is the B1. Okay. So in this IB1 is flowing. So H parameter is the HIE. So RA current is flowing in this circuit. So in this is the emitter. Okay. Ground line is the emitter and this is the first line is the base. Base B1. Okay. And this is the HFE-IB. So in this capacitor collector C1. So in this IC1 current is flowing and this is the HIE. HIE2. Actually this is the HIE1 and this is the HIE2. And this is the current source HFE2 and IB2. And this is the RC2, also known as the RL. This is the H parameter equivalent circuit for the CE-CB amplifier. In this also parameters are given. We can calculate the analysis of the second stage and analysis of the first stage. We can calculate the current gain, input resistance and voltage gain also. Okay. So let us consider the circuit parameters are Rs equal to 1K, R3 equal to 200K, R4 equal to 10K, RL equal to 3K and HIE equal to transistor parameters for both the transistors are HIE equal to 1.1K and HFE equal to 50. So analysis of the second stage. Okay, current gain. First of all, we can calculate the current gain. So current gain equal to AI2. That becomes HIE by 1 plus HFE. HFE by 1 plus HFE. Current gain is the. So HFE value is 50. So 50 by 1 plus 50, that becomes the 0.98. And input resistance is the RI2. So RI2 equal to HFE by 1 plus HFE. HIE by 1 plus HFE. Okay, all parameters are, all equations are given. 1.1K by 1 plus 50, that becomes the 21.56 ohms. And the voltage gain IB2 equal to AI2 by RL2 by RI2. So that becomes the 136.36. This is the second stage analysis. And the first stage is the CB amplifier, and the second stage is the CE amplifier. Okay, in the CE amplifier, current gain equal to already in the last CE amplifier, cascade stage amplifier, or so in this first stage is the CE amplifier. So current gain is the AI1. So AI1 equal to minus HFE, that becomes the minus 50. Input resistance is the HIE. So that becomes the value of 1.1K. And the voltage gain is the AV1. So AV1 is the AI1 into RL1 by RI1. That becomes the minus 0.98. Overall voltage gain equal to AV into AV1 into AV2. First stage voltage gain and the second stage voltage gain. That product is the minus 133.63. And overall input resistance Ri equal to all are parallel. So Ri equal to Ri1 parallel with the R3 parallel with the R4 resistances. So that becomes the value is the 286.1 ohm. And overall the voltage gain AVS. So AVS equal to V0 by Vs. That becomes AV into Ra by Ra plus Rs. AV into corresponding resistance by total resistance. That becomes the minus 66.35. And the overall current gain equal to AIS. So I0 by Is. So that becomes the minus 43.9. Okay. And last one is the output resistance. Okay. So output resistance is the R0. This R0 equal to R02 parallel with RL. That value is 3K. This is the output resistance. Okay. Today's class cascade amplifier and cascode amplifier is completed.